Hello my dear friends, it's winter time now and I'm not driving the bike, but it's important to keep some maintenance. Also in the winter time when you're not using the bike, try to put the tire on a rubber mat that is disconnecting the tire from the ground, from the cold ground. It will protect the tire and it will be a good measurement against deformation of the back tire. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Can I put the phone over here? Okay, try it. Bike has to go back a little bit. So this is it. I think it worked. Yes, it's not connected to the ground. It's not touching the ground anymore. Okay, this is one important thing that you can do. And now I'm going to show you something more. I'm opening the back trunk. As you see, the battery is charging. It's charging with, I'm charging the battery with 29 watt now, and I'm using the TR100. It's charging now, normal. As you see, the blue light is blinking slowly, and I put it to the purple mode. It means AGM lead acid battery. Okay, I'll fully charge the battery. Then I will bring the power supply to home, charge it, and leave the bike in maintenance mode. Okay, these are two things that I'm doing at the winter time, and I will keep you informed what else I will do for the bike to keep it in a good shape and to make it ready for the spring. Okay, that's all for now, my friends. See you soon.